Welcome to this video on understanding the building blocks of Agent Studio. Plugins are essential for automating business processes, and today we'll break down their core components: triggers, controls, and plugin processes. Whether you're new to Agent Studio or looking to deepen your knowledge, this video will help you grasp how these elements work together to power automation. Let's dive in. Before we dive into how plugins work, let's define what a plugin is. In Agent Studio, a plugin is a tool that uses AI agents to automate business tasks. It responds to user requests, making processes like HR or IT workflows more efficient. For example, a PTO management plugin can automatically handle vacation requests, saving time for both employees and managers. Now that we know what plugins are, let's look at our learning objectives for this video. For the learning objectives of this video, we will understand the core components of a plugin in Agent Studio, including triggers, launch rules, plugin processes, explain how natural language triggers and launch rules initiate plugin actions, and identify the role of plugin processes in automating business tasks. Let's start with triggers. A trigger is what starts a plugin. It's a user's natural language input, like "I need time off." At a high level, Agent Studio uses our agentic reasoning engine to interpret these inputs and match them to the right plugin. For example, saying "I need time off" will trigger a PTO management plugin. In the future, we will have other triggers such as ambient triggers, which are agents triggered by your external systems. Launch rules decide if and when it should run. They control who you can use the plugin and under what conditions, ensuring only authorized users get access. You can define these rules based on user roles like limiting access to full-time employees, departments such as HR or engineering teams, or conditions like only allowing the plugin to be ran on the weekday. For example, you might restrict an employee onboarding plugin to HR staff, excluding contractors. A plugin process is a set of steps a plugin executes to complete a task after it's triggered and its launch rules are met. It consists of three main components: activities, which handle actions like booking a flight or retrieving information like PTO balance; slots, which collect necessary data from users or external systems such as flight days or PTO days; and decision policies, which use conditional logic to make decisions, for example, deciding whether to book a flight or require approval based on pricing. These components work together to automate tasks. We'll dive deeper into plugin processes in a different video, but for now, let's wrap up with a summary of what we learned. In this video, we'll explore the three key components of Agent Studio plugins: triggers, which start the plugin; launch rules, which control who and when it runs; and plugin processes, which execute the task. Understanding these three components is crucial for building effective plugins. But for now, I encourage you to explore the plugin workspace and identify triggers for your own use cases. Thanks for watching.